How to delete an item from your saved list on Depop. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video we are gonna learn how you can easily delete an item from your saved list. First of all, launch open the Depop application on your smartphone or tablet and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and click on the My Depop button at the bottom right corner or your profile icon. And then you'll come across this page where you'll need to click on Likes and Saves at the top right corner, and all of your saved items will be listed on the page. You'll see a heart icon on the item page. If it is filled, then the item is currently saved. To delete the item from the saved list, tap on the filled heart icon and the item will be unlisted from the page. Repeat this process and select the item you want to unlist. And once you do that, this automatically removes the item from your saved list. You can now get back to the home page, refresh your app for some time, and go to My Depop, and under Likes and Saves, you will see the item has been removed. So that's it. That is how you can easily delete an item from your saved list on Depop if you want to do a quick cleanup from your saved list. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.